Hello students, today we will discuss natural vegetative propagation. First we will take reproduction by stem. The stem of common grass and mint grow horizontally parallel to the ground. What happens in case of common grass? You may have seen common grass and mint. In these two plants, they reproduce by what? By vegetative propagation, and their stem takes part in the propagation. How? Let us see what happens in these cases. Suppose these are the plants mentioned, maybe it's grass or mint. Take the example of mint. This is mint. These are the leaves and stem part. A part of the stem grows above the soil, but a portion of the soil grows below the soil, under the soil, and it develops horizontally, not vertically. Horizontally under the soil develops. And what happens, and the part where node appears, this node will develop roots and shoots, and hence a new plantlet is produced. Similarly, this plant will grow, and further the portion of the stem that will be under the soil, it will again develop a node, and where the node appears, this node will again germinate what? Roots. It will develop roots as well as shoot. So this type of reproduction is come under vegetative propagation. Next we will take the example of ginger. Ginger is again an example of what? स्टेम मॉडिफिकेशन. इसमें क्या है, ये एक स्टेम ही होता है. जिंजर क्या है, दैट वी कंज्यूम इज अ स्टेम एंड इट इज़ अंडरग्राउंड. इट हैज़ नोड्स एंड इंटर नोड्स. लेट अस टेक दिस एग्जांपल. Look at this. This is a portion of ginger. It is a stem. If you can see, this piece bears these marks or lines. If you can see, these are the nodes, and the portion between the nodes, suppose these are two nodes, the portion between these two nodes is called internode. So the stem of ginger has nodes, internodes, nodes, internode, again node, internode, nodes, and it has also scaly leaves. If you can see, there are somewhere on the nodes के ऊपर ही there are scaly leaves are present. Scaly हैं, thin हैं, papery leaves are there, and you can also see some axillary buds. What happens, these, ये node है, node में से क्या निकला है, appear हो रहा है एक axillary bud. Again this is a node, an auxiliary bud is appearing. Again this is a node, an auxiliary bud is appearing, and again this is a node and auxiliary bud is appearing. So at every node auxiliary bud appears, and the farmers grow ginger from small pieces of ginger containing these auxiliary buds. What do the farmers do? They cut these auxiliary buds, take these small portions of the ginger stem and sow it, and these auxiliary buds will develop what? Roots and shoots, and a plant will germinate. So further take the activity which has been shown here. If to grow ginger by vegetative reproduction, what is shown here, you take a piece of ginger and remove a small piece of it, थोड़ा सा पीस लें, and place this in the soil, moist जो सॉइल है उसमें आप अगर आप ग्रो करें 8 to 10 डेज़ में आप इसको वाटरिंग करें, व्हाट विल हैपन, ये जो ऑक्सिलरी बर्ड है ये डेवलप कर देगी इसमें, शूट में. दिस डायग्राम इज शोन, दीज आर ऑक्सिलरी बर्ड्स, नोड्स, स्केली लीव्स, एवरीथिंग आई हैव शोन इन दिस. एंड कंक्लूजन क्या है, जिंजर हैज़ नोड्स एंड इंटरनोड्स, एंड द नोड्स कैरी, नोड्स के ऊपर क्या है, नोड्स कैरी थिन फ्लैप लाइक ड्राई ब्राउन पेपरी स्केली लीव्स आर देयर. एंड ऑक्सिलरी बर्ड्स जो हैं, ये जो ऑक्सिलरी बर्ड्स हैं, दीज ग्रो क्या, from the nodes to produce new plants. Similarly, take the example of potato. Potato is another modified stem. It is an example of another modified stem. Potato bears vegetative buds or eyes. जो potato है, potato के केस में क्या है, there are vegetative buds, or you call it eyes. Eye like structures are there everywhere on the surface of the stem. This is a stem of potato and it bears eyes. And if you cut this piece of potato and sow it in the soil, what will happen? This portion will develop roots as well as shoots, and new plantlet will be produced. Same thing is explained here. You will draw this diagram also. Next we will take the example of